Meet Herday, a busy IT professional in Lagos, Nigeria. This is Jennifer, owner of the company where Herday works, and Hadiza, an event planner who manages both corporate and social events. All of them are facing a major task: the company annual general meeting, which takes place each year in a different venue in Nigeria. The problem is, Hadiza needs to find this perfect place to meet Jennifer's selective features. The location must be a 5-star hotel close to cinema and beach, have ample parking space with full security, and she wants Herday to oversee the venue selection. But Herday has too much work to do. Aside his official duties and this new task from Jennifer, he has a wedding to his equally busy fiancée scheduled to hold after the company annual meeting. With only 2 months to the meeting, physical visits to check out venues simply won't work due to Herday's work demands and the city's heavy traffic situations. So he tasked Hadiza to come up with venue samples closest to reality as possible in order to make a decision. Hadiza needs a solution, and fast too. So she turned to eventstop.ng, a social venue marketplace that collects detailed information of venues across the country. The online platform also helps you plan how you and your delegates get to the chosen venue safely. The website allows Hadiza to see many venues from the comfort of her office through virtual visits. And she can contact the concierge team for additional assistance regarding venue searching and booking. She can also introduce the event app and the vendor deals services for quality products and services at great prices. In the end, thanks to eventstop.ng, everything was solved. Hadiza's reputation as a planner was protected. Jennifer and stakeholders were satisfied with the event's outcome. Plus, Herday and his fiancée were able to experience the wedding of their dreams using eventstop.ng planning services. So if you're planning an event, please visit our website at www.eventstop.ng to see how we can help you meet your event needs. Eventstop.ng. The best events begin with us.